Hey everybody, this is Tony and welcome back to Pressure Washer, your go-to place for everything pressure washer. Today we've got a quick but crucial topic for you: why silicone grease is the absolute best option for your pressure washer O-rings. If you want to make sure your pressure washer's in top-notch condition, you're in the right place. Now, before we dive into silicone grease, let's talk about why O-rings matter in the first place. These little rubber rings play a vital role in preventing leaks and maintaining the integrity of your pressure washer connections. Over time, they can wear out, crack, or lose their effectiveness, leading to potential issues. So what makes silicone the best option? First off, silicone is compatible with rubber. It doesn't harm or break down any of the materials that make up the O-rings. It forms a protective barrier, reducing friction and preventing premature wear and tear. Plus, silicone's super water resistant, which is everything that you need in a pressure washer. Beyond that, it's super versatile. So, if it's hot, if it's cold, silicone really doesn't change its consistency in any way, shape, or form. And it gives your O-rings a durable shield against the elements. It also lasts for a really long time. Right now, you're probably wondering, can't I just use any type of grease or lubricant? Well, not really, because O-rings come in many different manufactured forms. You can get neoprene O-rings, you can get pure rubber O-rings, and if you don't know exactly what kind of material your O-ring is made out of, you could potentially use a petroleum-based option that will eat through the O-ring and destroy it over time. If you're using silicone, you don't have to worry about that because it's compatible with pretty much everything. Well, how do you apply silicone grease? Super easy. Just take a small dab, put it on the end of your finger, and rub it around the O-ring. Just get a good even coat on there, and then you're set. It's a lot easier than you would think. Even if it's in like a difficult, hard to reach area deep inside of a fitting, you can just put a little bit of silicone grease on the end of a screwdriver and put the tip inside and move it around and get it wiped on there pretty good. You don't even need to use a whole lot of it. A small amount of silicone grease goes a long way. And that wraps up today's guide on silicone lubricants. We hope you found the information helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Pressure Washer for more information. We'll see you on the next one. For more information, check out pressurewasher.com and get out there and tackle those projects.